Let's fucking go. Let's do it. How's everybody doing? A little bit of a late start, but it's not how you start, it's how you finish, right? We got some earnings coming up. All right, here we go. Pop is all good here. In short from 24.1, took 25% till now. Good shit. Yeah, there's a lot of places where you could put your stop loss in profit. Just make sure you put your stop loss in profit. I mean, some people might even put it behind the 382. You know, you might be looking at this. You know, if it breaks about above this, you know, some people might close it on like a bullish retest. You might not get a bullish retest. So, yeah, just anticipate. Think of all the ways that you can get fucked. All right. In my opinion, if it's gonna go up, you know, you're probably looking around here, the 42s. So let's see if these are all like little flags. Yeah, so if this goes like a little bit higher, I'm gonna close it out and I'm gonna just take the profit. And we'll just give it away. But the most important thing, I think, is the, remember we talked about the gamma wall at 42 hundo, the second biggest one. So S&P has a little bit more room to go.
A few moments later.
Okay, all right, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here pretty soon. And I got my work call meeting here starting soon. So let's see if I get stopped out. And then we're gonna do some big lettuce. Okay, I just got stopped out. All right. What did we just get? 3,000. We're gonna give that away to you guys. I think I might be. I just got stopped out because I gotta go to a meeting, brother. We're gonna scam pump first before the dump. Okay, so let me close this. So I am out. Good timing. Quick little 3K. Ain't no nothing. Which chart should I put on for you guys? Easy. Back, baby. All right, how we doing? All right, who juicing? I'm gonna go take a big ass lettuce break, ladies and gentlemen. Who juicing? Just kidding. Love you guys. We're gonna scam pump first before the dump. Round two, baby. What strategy are you using to trade? I would just say I use everything that's available to me, brother. It's more about how many of those strategies line up to support my idea and finding the highest amount of confluence. But I would just keep watching, brother, and make sure you join the Discord. My shit is pretty simple. It's really not that complicated. Chat will tell you. I've been streaming for almost a year now, and I would say 90% of the people that have been here longer than 4 or 5 months can almost predict to a T what I'm doing. All right, holy shit. All right, hold on. Let me get it for you. What do you guys think of thinking? Yeah, I'm gonna close it if because this is supposed to be a bearish retest, right? It didn't do it last time. Bank, what the fuck? Bank. So if it doesn't do this, maybe it flags or something, right? It's gonna take a bit, maybe like an hour. Maybe Macaulay Culkin's gonna try to do that bullshit. I don't know. We gotta stay focused. If you've been watching the last couple days, you know my ass is traumatized from Macaulay Culkin bullshit. Should we put I think especially since we're coming up on Macaulay Culkin in 15 minutes, I should probably put my stop loss there in profit, right? She's saying stop loss in profit. Stop loss. Oh my God, get the fuck out of here. Hold on. Yeah, I think it would work. Stop loss in profit. Stop loss. Yup, it works. Oh my fucking God. The syllables all match. Stop loss in profit. Stop loss in profit. Stop loss in profit. Oh my God. Yeah. This is our new song, ladies and gentlemen. That's hella funny. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Okay. Shit. I'm getting too let us stop. Liamzi says, I mean, you are not retail. I am retail. I'm proud of it. I'm not trying to beat the market makers. I'm just trying to beat the other retail. Does that make sense? I'm not trying to outrun the bear. I just have to be faster than the slowest person. Do we have any bearish inflow? No, we do not. But remember, we talked about how we probably wouldn't see any bearish inflow. Do you remember? Yeah, you probably won't see bearish inflow. We never usually do. You know, the golden pocket. But that being said, the bull div, I guess, that we thought we would get when it came down here is already in play on the 15-minute. So, I don't know, brother. This is taking quite a long time, though. I thought maybe on this run we were going to go here and we're going to, know if we were going to do this or not. So that's pretty interesting. Maybe with the 15-minute it can help it get up there, but it would be hard to trust it if S&P didn't go. Like, what is, I don't know if this looks that great if you're trying to convince yourself that 4150 is support. I don't know. This is what it looks like on the hourly. Hey, look at the hourly candle. Give it up for the gammas, though. All right, Gex flip, right? 4100, 4150, upper bound limit. Rocketed from here to there. Pixel touched 4150 up there. Broke out, I guess I don't know. I guess on the hourly it actually looks like it is trying to turn it into support. I mean, we're just following the whales, you know what I'm saying? Just following the whales, man. If the billionaires are bearish, then I'm gonna be bearish, you know what I'm saying? If all the US politicians are shorting, I'm shorting, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I don't think any of them are long yet. I think they're the only thing that they're buying, bro, is ETFs that are shorting the U.S. economy. You know what I'm saying? Snap diddly. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Tomorrow is February 3rd. Yeah, these options are expiring at 0800 UTC. So in 5 hours, these are going to expire. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know what I'm talking about, it'll be interesting to see if they want to grab that max pain after 0800 UTC. Oh, what a day. If I do this, volatility incoming for sure. All right, now the volatility is going to come in for sure. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I can't believe it's fucking 2 a.m. Sleep well, rest well. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. All right, I will see you guys in about 8-9 hours. Holy shit, that sounds weird to say. All right, stay safe, everybody. Peace. Have a great night.